Hello children, welcome to our reading adventure. In this lesson, we will continue to read simple sentences with CVC words. We will focus on words with a short vowel sounds. These are the sounds a, e, I, o, and We will also learn the sight words is, are, and will. Repeat the words after me. Is, are, will. Great job! As we read, remember that we use the word is when we are talking about one person, one animal, or one object. We use the word are when talking about two or more people, two or more animals, or two or more objects. Are you ready? Let's read. Read the word after me. The cat is fat. Now it's your turn. Say the word as you see the red dot. The cat is fat. Repeat after me. Sam is a lad. Now it's your turn to read. Sam is a lad. Copy what I say. The lad is sad. Now it's your turn. The lad is sad. Say the word aloud after me. The bag is red. Now it's your turn to read the sentence. The bag is red. Repeat the word. Meg is a vet. Now it's your turn. Meg is a vet. Repeat the word after me. The dog is Wet. Now it's your turn to read. The dog is wet. Repeat after me. The kid is ill. Now it's your turn. The kid is ill. Copy what I say. The sun is hot. Now it's your turn to read. The sun is hot. Say the word aloud after me. There are 10 hens. Now it's your turn to read the sentence. There are 10 hens. Repeat the word. There are 6 bins. Now it's your turn. There are 6 bins. Repeat the word after me. Dan and Sam are kids. Now it's your turn to read the sentence. Dan and Sam are kids. Repeat after me. The pots are red. Now it's your turn. The pots are red. Copy what I say. They are cops. Now it's your turn to read. They are cops. Say the word aloud after me. They are nuns. Now it's your turn. They are nuns. Repeat the word. They are lads. Now it's your turn to read the sentence. They are lads. Repeat the word after me. These are buns. Now it's your turn. These are buns. Repeat after me. These are cobs. Now it's your turn to read the sentence. These are cobs. Copy what I say. Ron will hop. Now it's your turn. Ron will hop. Say the word aloud after me. June will sit. Now it's your turn. June will sit. Say the word aloud after me. Max will run. Now it's your turn. Max will run. Repeat the word. Vic will sell. Now it's your turn to read the sentence. Vic will sell. Repeat the word after me. Pam will tell. Now it's your turn to read. Pam will tell. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.